Let's learn how to promote TikTok live stream. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to promote your TikTok live stream. Promoting your TikTok live stream increase the number of viewers that joins your live stream, which actually makes it fun for you and your viewers. It also allows you to earn from that particular live stream by gaining rewards like gifts from your viewers, in as much as the live stream is interesting to them. The steps is easy in order to promote your TikTok live stream. The first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing is to click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here on your new screen, you just have to click on the live option. So you're going to see an option called promote. This option with the fire icon, you're going to see the option, just click on it. So right here you see the different package. The first package here says more live viewers, more followers. You have to choose your goal. If your goal is to have more live viewers, you click on it, click on the toggle close to it. If your goal is to have more followers, you just click on the toggle close to it and it's going to change. So I want to have more live viewers. Then you're going to see the different amount required. The first amount is for 270 to 976 viewers in 1 hour. I will be paying 3,700, and this is a recommended package. It says for 291 viewers to 1,600, I'm going to be paying 4,000 for 1 hour. It is a recommended package from TikTok. So any of them you choose to, you just click on the recharge option, and then you can now make your payments by selecting the amount of coin required, which is 259. Just click on it, the recharge option, and select the equivalent of that, which falls within this third range, 20. Just click on it in order to complete your order. So right here you just have to type in your debit card information or credit card information by clicking on the MasterCard option in order to complete your payment. So automatically TikTok will increase your views for you. But note, promoting your TikTok live stream is only active for device camera and mobile gaming. That is the only two live stream that allows you to promote the live stream on TikTok. So other live stream don't allow. So guys, that is it on how to promote TikTok live stream. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.